Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I bought from the Sephora VIB sale, and I must admit this is like my actual first VIB experience to where like I bought things that were really expensive, and the 15% off did help in a way, but at the same time I felt like the 20% probably could have done a little bit more better, like made it more cheaper, you know what I mean? So I'm glad that I did purchase these things. I hope they do work out for me, and these are things that I'm trying for the first time, and these are things that I bought because some of my favorite YouTubers recommended it, and I just feel that it will benefit me in the long run. So this is my box. I'm not gonna lower it because my address is on it, but there's a lot of stuff. So this is everything I got. It's a lot, and I hope that most of these will be great. So these are products from Drunk Elephant, and I'm pretty sure you heard of them from a lot of YouTubers who get these for PR or they purchase it, and especially from Stephanie Nicole. She talks about this a lot, and these are like little sizes, like travel size. So I didn't want to commit in getting the big products or like the full size full price products. So I wanted to give it a try, which is good that they have this in a travel size because I didn't want to fully commit. I wanted to try it out before I actually want to purchase it if I love it. So this one is for like the daytime. This is the Rise and Glow set, and this one is the NightBright set, and this is more for daytime and nighttime. So there's like a serum here, and there's like a hydration gel and day serum, and then this one has the glycolic night serum and luxury facial oil. I can go into depth about like skincare if you want, because I have been on a journey on bettering my skin for the past year or two, but I'm gonna try these out and let you guys know what I think of it. Another skincare that I wanted to really try out is the Sunday Riley Luna Sleeping Night Oil, and this is how it looks. This is not the full size. This is more on the 0.5 fluid ounces, and this one is more for like the nighttime. So the way it opens, because I learned the hard way, this kind of flew on my bed, and this is how it packaged. Like, it's so cute. I love it. Like, I don't even want to throw it out because it's that pretty, but this is it. Like, it's not the huge size, but I mean, when it comes to serums and stuff, I know I'm not gonna go through it like crazy, so this is gonna last me for a long time because I still have some serums that I bought like 6 months ago and they're still going good. So this one is the blue one, and I'm gonna show you guys the inside of it. So that's how it looks. It's a dye, just so you know. Like, it's a dye, but it doesn't look like that when you put it on your face. It kind of just disappears and dissolves in your skin. So I can't wait to try this tonight and everything else that I have. So I'm gonna try this tonight and then use the Drunk Elephant maybe like another week because I want to try this out and really see if it works. So another thing that I did get from the sale, but it's just like a repurchase because I wanted a backup of it. And when it comes to expensive stuff like this, I want to kind of have a backup of it just in case I run low on it. And if I don't have the money in the moment, I do have this, you know, in hand. So this is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. And I really love this. This is like literally a balm. And when you do scoop it out, you mix it in your hand and it turns into like an oil. And then you take off your makeup and everything, and it's just so good. I wanted to buy this palette for a while now, and I did have it in my Beautylish cart, but then when I saw that Viseart was promoting that you can get this in the sale, I was really happy. This is the Viseart Golden Hour palette, and I do have few palettes from them, and I love it. Like, the quality is amazing. You need to try this palette. Like, Viseart brand in general is amazing. I love it, and I'm not saying that because, you know, they're full high price and everything. Is not that. The quality is there and the packaging is there. They focus more on like the MUA beauty industry, and I prefer those type of brands over the ones that, I'm not gonna say any names, but like some brands, they promote mediocre products that it doesn't perform well. The packaging could be beautiful, but the shadows don't perform well, if you get what I mean. So this one is like the packaging is great and the shadows perform really good on the eyes. I do have a makeup tutorial on one of the palettes that I did purchase a while back. It's their thrift palette. So I'll link that in the card up here if you're interested in seeing that makeup tutorial using that palette. So this is how the palette looks. Very, very classy and chic. And this is how the sides is in the back. And then when you open it, what I like about their logo is the makeup chair. Like, it's so cool. Like their studio makeup chair. Like, it just reminds me like when I was on set all the time and doing makeup on different models and actors. So it just brings back memories. So this is how it looks. It comes with this little protector, but it has the names on it. It's like this plastic protector, has the names on it, and then these are the shadows right here. It's so beautiful. That shadow is calling my name, and this one right here. So I can't wait to do a makeup tutorial, a couple of makeup tutorials on this palette. Oh, I forgot to mention, it comes with a huge mirror, which is good, especially when you travel. So I got 2 perfumes, and I'm gonna show you one. This is the Versace Dylan Blue cologne perfume. I call it a perfume. And oh my gosh, I sprayed this on my husband yesterday and I was like, babe, you smell amazing. I love this kind of smell on a man, and you can wear it too if you're interested in those kind of smells and those scents. I like it. I don't mind kind of smelling a little bit like a man. I don't want to sound weird, but let me know if you're the same way. Like, I don't mind having this scent. It's not too strong, and it doesn't smell too manly. They say it is unisex, so it's a good smell. You have to smell it in the Sephora store. Like, I'm telling you, if you want your husband or your boyfriend or your spouse in general to smell like that, go get it. It smells amazing. It smells like that, I don't know, like it's like, you know, when you go to the barber shop and you smell that aftershave, I guess. It's like that, but it's not too strong. This one is the Kat Von D Saint perfume. And the reason why I didn't get the full size, again, because I didn't want to commit. So I'm glad that they have like travel size or samples for you to try. And this one I did smell in the store because, you know, she has another one. It's a black one, and this is the white one. I forgot the other one's name, but this one's Saint. So I wanted to try this out again, but in a travel size, and I love the smell of this. Like, oh my God. And I had this scent on my my robe the other day, yesterday, and I was like, yo, like, I smelled it like hours later and it smells the same. It smells good. And I love perfumes that has a long lasting scent and it's not going to just fade away within like half hour. I also got samples, more perfumes. I wanted to try more because just in case like I was missing out. So I got this one, the Versace Bright Crystal. I'm gonna try this in a few days. And this one, oh, it fell. This is a Iman Paris by Yves Laurent. And then this is the Philosophy Amazing Grace perfume. So I can't wait to smell those. And I did purchase the Anastasia or Anastasia, however you want to call her. This is their contour kit, light and medium. And I saw this in Ulta, but it wasn't on sale. So I wanted to get it on sale for this time around. And I know I'm pretty late on picking this up. I just was on the fence on getting it, or I just never went around to getting it. So I finally got it. So I can't wait to try this. I got an eyeliner from Urban Decay since I love their Perversion eyeliner and it does stay put on my eyes. I wanted to get a brown one that wasn't going to be too harsh on my eyes, like for everyday or something like what I have on right now, like a neutral look, just simple. And I wanted something brown, my waterline. So this one is in the shade Whiskey. I'll swatch it for you. It's like that nice brown, see? So especially if I want to do like a brown smoky eye, like something sultry and light, I feel like this is gonna work out. I got a foundation, and this is the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation. And I wanted to try this out because I heard so many YouTubers talk about this foundation, and I see the coverage and I see how long it lasts on them. Even after a couple hours, it still looks beautiful on their skin. So I wanted to try it out. And this is in the shade Shell. I don't even know why I'm showing it to you like that. This is how it looks. I hope it's my shade. I guess. Let me see. Yeah, it should work out. It should work out. If anything, I'll bronze up or mix, because I like to mix my foundations. And then I got this lipstick from Bésame Cosmetics. I discovered them a month ago and I was like, yo, I need their lipsticks because their packaging is so cute. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And then on the bottom, it says the name. This is in the shade Red, Bésame Red. And look how pretty this is. This takes me back to like the 1940s and 50s. So pretty. Ooh, that's creamy. Look how pretty that is. Now that's a red. Now these aren't from the sale, but I wanted to show it to you anyways because I did purchase this from Sephora not so long ago. This is the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Concealer. I got two shades because I wanted to see which one I fall under. So this one's in a shade 2C and this one's 1N. That is all for my haul. I hope you enjoy everything that I've showed you. I'm really excited to try everything out. I got so much makeup to try now. So I'm set for like a whole year now. Like I don't need to purchase anything more. But I can't wait to try everything, like especially the skincare. Like I've been so into skincare, especially the Sunday Rally. I want to try that so bad tonight. If there's anything here that I showed you that you want to see, I know I'm going to film them anyways, but if you have a request of like a look or a video that you want me to do, let me know in the comments down below. I'm really interested in wanting to show you guys what you want to see. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell button down below so you can be notified when I post, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.